Hello, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Leo and today I am comparing 3 notebooks to find the best one. I will be comparing a Stalogy, Moterm, and a Daiso, all in the A6 size. Let's start with the cost for each. The Stalogy is $15, the Moterm is $34 with a leather cover, and the Daiso is only $2. Let's compare the covers. The cover for the Stalogy is pure black and sturdy, so that's great. The Moterm cover is a cream color and much thicker, almost like cardboard. And the Daiso one is brown and very thin and bendy. For the paper quality, you can see here the pages of the Stalogy are the whitest. The Stalogy has grid pages and are very thin and smooth. The Moterm has lined pages and are a bit thicker than the Stalogy. The Daiso notebook, on the other hand, has plain pages and are just as thin as the Stalogy. To really compare these, I will be doing a pen test, looking out for ghosting or bleeding. I'm using these pens, a Tombow, Sharpie, Bleeds pen, a fine liner, and a basic Bic pen. I wrote on the Stalogy with each pen.
We can go inside. I'm feeling kind of good tonight.
I was just, I'm in love with you.
We can see there is a lot of ghosting but minimal bleeding, and the paper feels really nice.
I'm really sorry if that's weird for you to hear, but I needed you to hear it. Probably not good timing. I know that.
What are you doing?
The Moterm had 0 bleeding.
I just needed you to know.
Finally, the Daiso notebook had the same amount of ghosting as the Stalogy. And finally, my overall recommendation is the Daiso notebook, simply because it is so much cheaper and is basically a dupe for the Stalogy without the grids. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.